Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It is the right destination for electrical content. In this video, we will learn a single phase motor windings identification. So if you find our videos helpful and informative, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more engaging content. Your support means the world to us and it keeps us motivated to bring you the best electrical content. Let's dive in and explore together. Like, subscribe, and join the electrician family. In the realm of electrical engineering, identifying the starting and running winding in a single phase motor is crucial for troubleshooting and maintenance. The starting winding initiates the motor rotations while the running winding maintains continuous operation. Typically, the starting winding has higher resistance and is used momentarily during motor startup, while the running winding has low resistance for sustained operation. Proper identification ensures efficient motor performance and aids in diagnosing issues, making it a fundamental skill for everyone working with single-phase motors. So here is one single-phase induction motors with 4 different color cables, and still we don't know which wires for starting winding and which for running windings. So for that we use a multimeter and check one by one. During checking the readings, write down wire color and the value, and then check other two wires and write down the value and colors. As we know, the starting winding have high resistance and running winding have low resistance. So which two colors wire found high value, these are starting windings, and which color are low value is a running winding. So let's suppose we found the right light green and dark green wires are running windings and other colors are starting. So after finding the right wires, then we make connection between two windings and a capacitor. Let's start. So for that we need two pole breaker and a capacitor, and then start from four wires one by one to connect each other to making a circuit for running the motor. So take first wire running winding and then take a wire from starting, take from a starting winding also, and connect to each other, and then connect to the neutral wire from source. Then take the next one winding wire, running winding, and connect to the one side of the capacitor, and then this one connect phase across the running winding and capacitor from source. So here we complete the three wires, and then remaining the last wire from the starting winding. So we'll take that and connect it to the series in the capacitor. So here we complete the connection, and when turn on the breaker the motor start up. And also here we need to know if we want to change the direction of the motor, so exchange the two wire of the running windings and it changes the rotation of the motor. So you see here the two running windings, which one we already checked by multimeter. So we'll change the exchange each other these running windings, so it will change the motor rotation if you want into a anti-clockwise or clockwise. So change these 2 points. So hopefully you understand the identification of the winding and connection also. So if you like, please like us and subscribe us. Thank you very much.